Hey guys, I'm Nick. I'm gonna show you my cat. She's not a toy. Okay. Ow! Okay. She's a feisty one. Playful, sleepyhead, a lot of things. But most of all, she's cute. I'd mostly say, second, she's feisty. She's a lot playful. She can choke on stuff really easily, just saying. I think I should save her. Okay, so this is my cat. We play a little scratching me, if I would say play. So this is my cat. My sister should show in one of her videos, her other cat sometime. So subscribe for me and subscribe for my sister. I can't really, I don't know. She's a calico cat and she's a nub. Shut up. It's okay, she does this a lot. This is her nub. She hates people picking on it. She has a lot of hair. Yeah. And it's a camera. To keep her calm, she sometimes blends in a lot of stuff, like the camera. I've seen so I almost sat on that cat a couple times. But this cat's easy. You can see white paws, white nose. She likes getting rubbed on the chin, head. She likes rubbing against her, against her side. She used to. I don't know what. Be a lion. Wow. Ow. Plankton. She's a king cat, or a queen cat, I don't know how to say. But she can stand anything, even pillows, because she's so strong. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.
Bloopers.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab her. Hey, no, don't eat that! Get back here! No!